Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just giving a quick update on my Tiny Tim tomato plants. We have action. So much going on in there. Ooh. Oop, the fan just came back on. Just giving a quick update on what everything looks like. Oh, that's spinach. Hopefully it grows soon. Haven't seen any action on that. This one here is also a tomato plant. I got the seed from out of a grocery store tomato, and it's younger than both my Tiny Tims and has been growing just so much, and already is about it already has flower, little things on them. So just wow. Okay. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my quick update and subscribe for more. Take care.